Hi little chess champs, ready to begin your chess journey. Let's learn how to set up your board and start with strong moves. Setting up the chessboard. So place the board so the bottom right square is white. Arrange the piece in their starting positions. So rooks are in the corner, knight next to the rook, bishop next to the knight, queen on their matching color, so white queen on white, black queen on black. So king besides queen, pawns fill in the second row for each sides. So the rank will be second here and seventh rank. So remember, white always moves first. So your first move option, good opening moves. For white, e2 to e4. Open the path for queen and bishop. See, it open both path. Queen path also it open, bishop path also it open, and it control the center. Second, if you are making d2 to d4, it gain the spaces and control the center. Let's come into black. So et to e4, then back replay with e7 to e5. It's mirror the white and keeping the center and balanced. And if you are moving d2 to d4, then d7 to d5, challenging white, d4 moves, fighting for the center. So these are all the good opening moves, whether e2 to e4 or d2 to d4. Let's explore 4 opening moves. For white, it moves g2 to g4 or h2 to h4. It weakness king's safety and does not help to control the center. Similar to black, g7 to g5 or h7 to h5 create weak spot, leaving your king vulnerable. So the importance of the center square d4, d5, e4, e5 are key to controlling the board. A piece in the center has more mobility. If knight is in the center can move 8 squares, while in the corner they only have 2 options. So goals for the opening: move the pawn, knight and bishop into active position, control the center. So focus on central square for better board dominance, protect your king, castle early to keep your king safety. So what is the principle of strong opening? Don't bring out your queen too early, it can become a target. Moves like a2 to a3, h7 to h6 don't help development initially. Aim for pawn e4 or d4 or e5 or d5. Develop all your pieces. Avoid moving the same piece multiple times in the opening. Prepare for castle, so bring out the king side, knight and bishop out, then castle. Don't rush to attack. Focus on positioning before attack. Follow this opening principle to balance attack and defense. A strong start gives you the best chance to succeed in the game. Happy learning, little chess champs.